Welcome back. When we looked at managing open applications, you also saw how you can take programs that are freezing and then end the task. And we clicked the Control-Alt-Delete button. We opened up the Task Manager and we found those programs that may be freezing. We right-clicked and then we clicked End Task. Now there's another thing that you can do either before or after that process that may be causing you a problem. If you go all the way over to the right-hand side, you click Services, you're often going to see services that are running that may or may not be associated with programs that you currently have active on your Windows computer. In order to find them, what you can do is you can sort by the name, and then you can typically see which company they're associated with. And if you verify that it is an application that you don't need to have running in order for you to operate your Windows 10 PC, what you can do is you can click the application. You can either stop the service or you can open it up and go to the details. And once you've identified the application, you can use the same way of stopping it. You can right click it, then you can click End Task. Now you are going to get a warning and you are going to want to make sure that it's definitely something that you don't need to have running and is not associated with something that you need in order for your Windows 10 to operate. If that's the case, you're going to click End Process. In other cases, it will allow your programs to run more effectively. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.